Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Located about 200 kilometers southeast of Edmonton, Alliance is a small village with a rich history and a vibrant present. With a population of just over 150, it may seem like a dot on the map, but its roots run deep. Established in 1916 during the railway boom, Alliance owes its existence to the Grand Trunk Pacific Railway. Interestingly, it's adjacent to the longest straight stretch of railroad in Western Canada. Early settlers, primarily farmers, faced brutal winters and scorching summers, but they were resilient. They built homes, schools, and churches, creating a tight-knit community grounded in hard work and mutual support. The Great Depression hit Alliance hard, but the community spirit shone through. Neighbors helped each other, fostering a sense of unity that persists today. One memorable story is of the Johnson family, who shared their harvest with struggling neighbors, ensuring no one went hungry. Today, Alliance blends its rich history with modern life. The village is home to the Alliance and District Museum, which preserves artifacts and stories from its past. Annual events like the Alliance Summer Fair bring residents and visitors together to celebrate local culture and heritage, reflecting the enduring bonds that define the community. A unique feature of Alliance is the CLM927XX-DP rotating siren on top of the fire hall. Originally installed during the Cold War for civil defense, this siren now serves to call firefighters. Out of the over 1,600 sirens originally installed across the country, only a few remain operational today. The siren in Alliance is one of 4 known functional CLM rotating sirens left in Canada. remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you did. Feel free to share it with friends or family members who you think will enjoy. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.